Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about summer 2021 fashion trends. So I'm going to be telling you about some fashion trends that you can flaunt without looking extra AF or like looking over. So I know a lot of you guys cannot go out because of the pandemic, and I know it's okay and it's going to be over soon. So trust me, you can flaunt your cute outfits super soon. So guys, the first thing we're going to talk about some tops, like what kind of tops are in right now. So everything related to Y2K. Like if you don't know what Y2K is, it's like basically year 2000. So जो सब भी fashion like year 2000 में in था वो आजकल in है, like short crop tops, cami tops and everything related to Y2K. So the first thing is ribbed cami tops, like it's so in right now and I think it's my favorite actually. Like some of the trends are my personal favorite. And some of the tops of satin fabric and organza fabric. Like satin and organza are two of the main fabrics that are in right now, and everyone can wear it, and you can like go either like all out with this and also can go casual with this. And other tops are some exaggerated sleeves, like puffy sleeves or statement sleeves. They look so good on everyone, and you'd have to be like, you don't have to make a lot of effort to look good. So I think they are like really good, and you can find them like everywhere. Puffy sleeves tops are like everywhere in the markets and online. You can find them easily. Also guys, floral print is back. Like floral print and mesh tops are also super in. Like floral print is like बहुत ही बेसिक है, बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा इन हो जाता है, कभी कभी आउट भी जाता है, बट अभी काफ़ी इन चल रहा है फ्लोरल प्रिंट. लाइक बहुत ही म्यूटेड कलर्स, नॉट लाइक ब्राइट कलर्स बट काफ़ी म्यूटेड कलर्स में फ्लोरल प्रिंट कैन लुक गुड. एंड ऑल्सो मैश टॉप्स, लाइक नेट के मैश के टॉप्स, लाइक यू सीन अ रफल टॉप्स ऑल ओवर द इंटरनेट. इट्स अ ट्रेंड, लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू बी here like for 2021. It's not going anywhere. Next we're going to talk about some bottom wear. So bottom wear में everything straight fit and wide leg jeans. Wide leg is super in, like, and also baggy jeans. So now slim fit is not in at all, but low waist jeans are also in. You can see the Y2K pictures I'm posting here. It's looking really good, right? So yeah, that is in. Guys, colorful trousers, like trousers in yellow, purple or everything like pastel. So the color scheme for this 2021 is pastels, like so everything pastel is in. You could buy anything in pastel colors and you're good to go. Like you will be on trend, on fashion, just with a color change in your outfit. So that's great. Now we're going to talk about skirts. So skirts में tennis skirts is super in. Like you see everyone wearing tennis skirts and it's a trend, or it's super cute and काफ़ी like बहुत ही basic है, but it looks really good. Also guys, dress. So अब dresses की बात कर लेते हैं. Dresses में everything ruched. You know ruching, right? Our picture here. Yeah. So ruching is like something that's just drawstring खींचते ही it's all fabric gathers together and it looks so good. And maxi dresses, floral print maxi wrap dresses are super in. जो पिछले साल भी in थी वो इस साल भी in है. Perfect. Satin dresses are also super in. I love them so much. So now we are going to talk about Indian wear. So Indian wear में everything Angrakha. If you know Angrakha style, you're going to love it. Yeah, that's Angrakha style, like something you wrap it on the side and it looks so cute. And also guys, chikankari work is back and it's not going anywhere. Chikankari is like Lucknowi work, like it's super elegant and looks super cute. And trust me, if you have like any one chikankari kurta na, you can go like, you can dress it up or dress it down easily. So now I'm going to talk about some footwear. So footwear में transparent heels and colorful heels are super in. Also square shaped kitten heels are like, love it, like मेरे personal favorite है, but they are so uncomfortable actually, but they look good. Yeah. Accessories. So what kind of bags or hair accessories are in? So hair accessories में beret, claw clips and scrunchies are super in. And scrunchies तो कहीं भी नहीं जाने वाली है. There are with large claw clips that you use to create hairstyles, and berets, also the hair clips that you wear. These are super in. And necklaces में the layered chains and dainty neck pieces are like super trendy right now. Earrings में something acrylic like this I am wearing right now. Pearl earrings, acrylic earrings, and something like chain वाले earrings is काफ़ी in. एंड आई थिंक मेरे को पर्सनली एक्रेलिक इयरिंग्स बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज दे लुक सो गुड विद एवरीथिंग. लाइक जिसमें मैंने अभी पहना हुआ है, इट लुक्स सुपर गुड विद एवरीथिंग एंड यू कैन फाइंड देम ईजिली ऑन मार्केट्स और लाइक ऑनलाइन. दे आर अवेलेबल ईजिली everywhere. Now I'm going to talk about bags. So bags में obviously shoulder bags is back and they're not going anywhere guys. Shoulder bags is my personal favorite. पर उसमें कुछ भी नहीं आता basically. Bum bags and shoulder bags are super in and उसमें कुछ भी नहीं आता वैसे तो, but I think they look cute so we can wear them for some time, for pictures at least. Yeah. So guys, let's move on to the outfits that I created for you guys using these trendy pieces. So let's go.
Meanwhile, love. Go with the brothers who you know how we do. It's go with the brothers who